Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we would like to present to you about Group Project 3 for Computer System Operation, which is IMD163. The title for this group project is OS Server Installation. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arshad Arafai bin Muhammad Sabri, and I'm the leader for this group project.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Naya Hussein Khan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Rabiatul Adawiyah binti Sadali.
Hi, my name is Nur Ansha Mimi binti Mama Isa.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atika binti Ishaq.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Farhana binti Sharifuddin.
I will now show you the first step to install this. The first thing that you need to do is open Google and type Windows 10 to download the file. Then click the first link that appears on the screen on Google. The second thing is click Download Tools now. And after the file has been downloaded, once it has been downloaded, open the file. Then you need to accept the accept button. Select create installation media and click next. After that, select ISO file and click next. Click your part, the part where you want the Windows 10 file to be, and click save. After that, then you need to wait until your computer finish downloading while verifying Windows 10 and create Windows 10 media.
For the installation virtual machine, first of all, open the Google. Click the first link of the first website. Click Windows House. Wait until finish the download. Click the file. Click the button next. Click the button yes. And click to install. Wait until finish install. After this, click the finish button and then click the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and then finish.
Confirm your language and click next. Click install now and wait for the setup. Click I don't have a product key, select Windows 10 Home and click next. Select accept the license and click next. Select custom installation, click new, change the size to 31440 and click apply. Then click OK. There are 3 new drives that are created. Select drive 0 and allocate space and click new. Then apply the size. Select Drive 0 Partition Tree and click Next. Wait for the virtual machine to finish installing the Windows. Once finished, the window will loading and wait for the Windows to get ready. Select Malaysia for the region. Then click Yes. Click Yes for the USB keyboard layout. Sign in with Microsoft to create account and click Next. Create the PIN and click OK. Click Accept for privacy setting. Click Skip. Windows are completely installed in the virtual machine.
The desktop icon. First, click on the search bar and type this PC. Press it. We can see all the things found in the computer such as folders, device and drives. Then there was recycle bin. Next, the network icon. This is the network icon. And then looking forward to this computer document. Press it, the document open for this PC, and unfortunately it's empty for now. Last, we search for the control panel, and that is the control panel. That's all for control panel. Now let's move on to the change wallpaper into UiTM logo. First, we open the Google and search for UiTM logo, and then choose the picture you want and press. Okay, choose the picture you want and save a picture. Then save the picture into a file and put the file name as the UiTM logo. It download it. And then open the document and press the download part. Press the name that has been set early and press set a desktop background, and it's done. That's all for this step. Then for the perform this partition part, press on the search bar and search for this PC, then select the manage option. The computer management page will appear and select this management. Then for the this basic part, press the keep and select shrink volume. Then enter the desired amount and press shrink. A warning will appear and press yes to proceed. Press again in the second box and press change drive leader. Press and make sure the selection is correct, then press OK. And then select this format and press start. OK. Then press this PC and make sure the local disk is available.
Click on this PC and select local disk. Click on properties. Click on advanced system setting. And then click setting. Choose advanced. Click change. Click on custom item and fill in initial and maximum. Click OK. Click OK again. Click on restart later and it's done. First, click on setting. Click on account. Click on family and other users. And then click add someone else. Click to I don't have this person sign in. Click on add a user without account. Next, you must fill in all the detail and password. Also, you must fill in security question. After you done fill in all the question, click next. Click on local account and change account type. And then choose standard users. Click OK. On local account, and then you can check the window at the account. Click on local account, and then the account will appear at window.
First, open File and click Document. Drag the Share folder on your home screen and click Properties. Click Sharing. Click Share. You can choose for whom you want to share. For example, you can select Daniel and click Add. And click Share. It will show that your folder already shared and click Done. Go to Search bar and type Task Manager. And then click at the Task Manager. Click Full Screen and it will show what is currently running program on your computer. It will show how many percent on CPU, memory, disk, and also Ethernet. Then it also has app history, startup, users, details, and also services. Go to the search and type Task Device Manager and click at the Device Manager and click Full Screen. Device Manager is used to manage hardware devices installed on computer like hard disk driver, keyboard, sound, batteries, and more. Device Manager also can use to change hardware configuration, option, manage driver, disable and enable hardware, and much more.